can't believe today was a good day. Waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but the day seems kinda odd. No walking from the door, no smoke. And mama cooked the breakfast with no pork. I got my girl home, but didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a girl wanna dig out. Hooked it up for later as I hit the dough. Thinking, well, I'm here, another 24. I gotta go, cause I got me a drop top. And if I hit the switch, I can make the ass drop. Had to stop at a red light. Looking in my mirror, not a tracker in sight. And everything was alright. I got a beat from Tim, and she can do it all night. Calling up the homies and I'm asking y'all, which part are y'all playing basketball? Hit me on the court and I'm troubled. Last week, messed around and got a triple double.
Fortunately, that's a good idea.
Static from the tower, cause that's just the day them rules tried to blast me. Saw the police and they rolled right past me. No flexing, didn't even look in a brother's direction as I run the intersection. With the show dog's house, they was watching you on TV. Raps, what's the haps on the flats? Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Roll 'em in a circle of homies and watch me break 'em with a 7-11, 7-11, 7 even back to a little jump. I picked up the cash flow. Then we play balls, and I'm yelling domino. Plus nobody, I know got feeling South Central. Today was a good day. Stop this, man.